The YINGDIKE Pergola Brackets Kit YD-PB-15 degrees is specifically designed to provide enhanced stability for slanted roofs, making it an excellent choice for outdoor structures. This kit is perfect for wall-mounted gazebos, ensuring a reliable attachment and maximizing stability and adaptability to various spaces. Featuring an upgrade from carbon steel to galvanized steel, the brackets offer superior corrosion resistance, durability, and strength. The transition from powder coat to baking paint results in a denser protective layer and smoother finish, enhancing adhesion and durability while preventing cracking under extreme temperatures. The innovative slotting and edgefold design improves air circulation within the pergola, making assembly easier and preventing beam rot, thereby extending the structure's lifespan. With its thoughtful design and high-quality materials, the YINGDIKE Pergola Brackets Kit ensures long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions.